How are you?
God, it's been a long time since anybody asked me that.
Hello, today I thought I would film my everyday no makeup routine. I don't really wear much makeup unless I'm doing a big thing, and I don't really know where to look because if I look at the mirror or the camera, or just go with it. A lot of people ask about my skincare routine and my makeup, so I'm going to be writing about my skincare routine on my blog, and I'm going to do my makeup routine here, so you can switch between the two to see what works for me / how things can work for you. So I've done my face wash, and I'm going to start out with my everyday moisturiser. I've been using a Nivea moisturiser for as long as I can remember. I think these are absolutely brilliant, and this is a 200ml refreshingly soft moisturising cream. I don't know, they have a few, but I find these big tubs work really well. Next I use concealer, and I like this one from Rimmel London in Wake Me Up in the shade Ivory, and I just put this on my under eyes and then on any blemishes I might have. Next I use powder, and this is from Collection, and it's just one of their pressed powders, and I've hit pan, so just ignore that. This is in the shade Translucent, and I really like this one, and this brush is from Superdrug. Next I do mascara, and this is from Collection, and it's the Fast Stroke Defining Lash Mascara in brown/black, and I really like using brown tinted mascaras as it makes the look more natural, especially as I don't have much makeup on already. Next I apply lip balm, and I either use one from Nivea, this is just the Hydro Care, or I use this one from Belle Botanicals that my friend Kate gave me from Australia, and these two are really nice and hydrating. And then finally, depending on the day, I might add a little bit of colour to my lips, and I normally use quite a natural shade or one that's slightly red that I just kind of dab on my lips, so I don't look like my lips and face just blend into one, if that makes any sense. These are my three go-tos. This is quite a natural one from the B Superdrug range, and these two are from Daiso. So that is my everyday makeup routine. Like I said, I might add eyeshadow or something if I'm doing something super exciting, but this is it, and I really like this makeup look. It's fast, simple, easy to travel with, and I love it. Like I said, the skincare routine is linked in the bio, and that'll be on my blog, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!